The Great Bug Expedition. Deep in a backyard, under a canopy of giant green leaves, lived a curious little ladybug named Lily. She had a shiny red shell with 7 perfect black dots. One sunny morning, Lily decided she wanted to meet all the other bugs in the garden. "I'm going on a great bug expedition," she declared to a dewdrop. Her first stop was a tall blade of grass, where a grasshopper named Gus was sunning himself. "Hello," chirped Lily. "I'm on an expedition. What do you do all day?" Gus flexed his long legs. "I hop," he said, and with a mighty leap, he soared through the air, landing on a nearby flower. Next, Lily followed a buzzing sound to a patch of clover. There, a fuzzy bee named Beatrice was busy collecting nectar. "Your honey is delicious," Lily said. "Thank you," buzzed Beatrice. "But be careful not to get too close to my stinger." As she continued her journey, Lily saw a beautiful creature with wings like stained glass. It was a dragonfly named Drake. "Your wings are amazing," Lily exclaimed. Drake zipped and zoomed over a small puddle. "They help me catch pesky flies," he said with a wink. Under a big rock, Lily found a centipede named Cedric. He had so many legs, Lily couldn't count them all. "How do you walk with all those legs?" she asked. Cedric chuckled, a sound like rustling leaves. "It takes practice," he said, as his legs moved in a perfect wave. Later, Lily saw a caterpillar named Chloe munching on a leaf. "What will you be when you grow up?" Lily asked. Chloe smiled. "I'm going to be a beautiful butterfly," she said, before taking another big bite of the leaf. As the sun began to set, Lily heard a chirping sound. She followed it to a crack in a log and found a cricket named Charlie. "What a lovely song," Lily said. Charlie rubbed his legs together, making another cheerful chirp. "It's my way of saying good night," he said. Nearby, a spider named Sylvia was finishing her web. It shimmered in the moonlight. "Your web is so intricate," Lily said in awe. "It's for catching flies," Sylvia explained. "They carry yucky germs." As Lily made her way back home, she saw a line of ants marching purposefully. "Where are you all going?" she asked one of them. "We're taking food back to our colony," the ant replied without stopping. Finally, Lily was back on her favorite leaf. She thought about all the bugs she had met. Some were hoppers, some were flyers, and some were crawlers. "The garden is full of amazing bugs," she whispered to the moon, and with a happy sigh, she tucked her head under her shell and went to sleep.